In this video, we're going to learn how to create a custom banner for your Google Classroom. We do that by creating a picture with the proper dimensions that we can upload to your Google Classroom as a custom photo to create a theme. We're going to use a tool you already have access to create the custom background. In this case, we're going to use Google Slides. The fastest way to open up Google Slides is to open up a new tab and then visit the website slides.new. That will create a new empty Google Slide presentation under your Google Drive account. To create the picture, we're going to first change the size of our slideshow to match the dimensions needed for Google Classroom. Click File and then select Page Setup. Under Page Setup, switch from widescreen to custom. Then, under Inches, switch to Pixels. The dimensions we need for Google Classroom is 1600 by 400. So that'll create a really wide picture and one that's not too tall. Then click Apply and that will change this Google Slide presentation to the dimensions we need. The slide presentation has a default title. We're going to change this to something more relevant. Then I'm going to change the background image. I'm going to right click on the background of the slide and click Change Background. You can change the background to a solid color, or what I'm going to do is click the Choose Image option. I'm going to do the Google image search and I'm just going to search for a brick wall. I'm going to choose this brick wall by clicking it and then click Insert. That'll change the background image to this new brick wall. So now we have a nice background. Let's add some other pictures just for interest. Again, you can upload something using Upload from Computer, or I'm going to do a search from the web again and I'm just going to find a coffee cup. This one works good. Click that image and then select Insert. And here, I'm going to move that over to the left a little bit. Now I have a title and a subtitle, so I'm going to, on the title, put welcome. And I'm going to leave that as black text, even though it's a little difficult to see, and then give it a subtitle as well. Now that's very difficult to read, so to fix that, I'm going to insert a shape. And then under shapes, I'm going to find the rounded rectangle, and I'm going to draw that over my text. Obviously that's not ideal because we can't see the text below it. So while the text box is highlighted, I'm going to click Arrange, select Order, and then select Send Backwards. Now you see there's a hotkey with it. It says Control Down. Your Mac computer or Chromebook will have a different hotkey, but I'm going to select this and that'll move it down one. And then I'm going to hold down Control and press the down arrow again, and you'll see that it goes farther down. And that allows me to read the text over the background. Now obviously you can get much more creative with this and you can spend a lot of time doing this, but I just wanted to show you a real quick way how to make one. So now that I have this kind of laid out the way I want, I'm going to download it as an image file so that I can re-upload it to my Google Classroom. From your menu, click File, select Download, and then click JPEG Image. This will download it to your computer and go back to your Google Classroom. Under Customize, select Upload Photo. We're going to upload the file we just downloaded, and you'll see that it tries to crop the image a little bit. The area in the center is what it will be cropped to. We're going to click the handlebars and drag those off to the side in order to select our whole image. Now one little thing is kind of annoying. If you grab the handlebar, that's these boxes in the corner, and you just move your mouse really far to the right, it kind of loses track of where you are. You have to click to kind of put the image down. Now if I click it again and slowly move it over to the edge, then I'm able to get the whole area. Then click the Select Class Theme button to close this. Then Google Classroom will create a theme based on your image. That's how to create a custom theme for Google Classroom. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Let me know if I can help.